Hello again. In this video, I'm going to give you some help with the Wiki assignment. It seems like I've been hearing a lot about wikis in the news lately. In our case, the site that we will be contributing to is called wiki.com. So navigate to wiki.com, and when you get to the first site, the home page, you're going to choose Create an Account, unless you already created one. In that case, you're signed in. If you click on Create an Account, you will be asked for some information, like, for instance, an alias. My alias will be web_delta, and for an email address, you could put in a junk email address, like maybe a Hotmail account, or you can type in your Delta account. It will work fine. You won't have any junk email coming from them. And you need to come up with a password. Type it a second time. Type in these letters, because there are robots that, they're computers that are cruising these websites, and they want to make sure that you're really a person. And in the end, you're going to click on I accept the terms. Now, when you've completed creating a Wiki.com account, you will receive an email. Go read your email and click on the link from Wiki.com, and that will activate your account. Return to wiki.com, and this time you can sign in. So I'm going to click on Sign In, and I'm going to type in my alias. And my password. And I'm in. Now what I need to do is go to the class site, which might possibly be cst120.wiki.com. When you arrive at the site, I'm sure it'll look a lot different than this, but up on top, it should say Join. So click on Join. I've already joined, so I don't need to. And then click on Edit. Edit is on the top, and it's also on the bottom. Once you click on Edit, you're in the code. Find a spot between these two, we'll call them fences, and this will be your area. In your area, type 5 or more sentences explaining one or more internal or external DOS command that you find interesting. I like the ping command, and so I'm going to start typing my favorite. Tell you what, that's going to take too long. I've typed it elsewhere, and I'm just going to right-click and paste. Much better. So it says, one of my favorite DOS commands is ping. So after completing your contribution to the wiki site, go to the bottom and click on Save. Do this often and see how it's coming. There, it's looking good. Now, to identify your work, I'd like you to post your signature image above this contribution you made. Make sure that your file has a unique name that no one else in the class will use, and make sure that the name of your image has no spaces in it, just say letters and numbers, and make sure it's very small, appropriate size for the application. Here's what we do. Scroll to the bottom of the page. You know where you see Edit? Don't click it this time. Click on Files. Then click on Upload a file from your computer. Then click Select Files. Then go find the file that you created for your signature image. Once you have it selected, click on Upload Files. If you'd like, you can refresh the list to see it. Here it is, and if you click on Options, I see I have 2 of them in there. If I click on Options, I can delete the extra one. All done. Next, we need to click on Edit. Navigate to the place you want your signature image. Make room for it. And then click on the icon shown here, Insert Image Wizard. Click on Attached File, and then go find the file, click on it. If you'd like it centered, you could do that. And then choose Insert Code. Won't look like much until you go to the bottom and click Save. Looking good. The last thing to do is go to youtube.com and do a search on DOS commands. Boy, there's a lot of videos out there. I happen to like this one. So you should view the videos, and when you find the one that you think is the best, click on the Embedded button, right-click on the blue code, choose Copy, then go back to the Wiki site, choose Edit, go to your area, decide where you want to embed this code, and click on the Insert Any HTML Code icon. And then where it's blue, right-click on the blue and choose Paste. Doesn't look like very much, but it should work just fine. Save it, and then view the final product. There it is. So when you get all done, you can tell your friends that you embedded a YouTube video in a wiki. Hey, that's pretty cool.